Hey there, I just wanted to give you a quick little video explaining the stuff you need to know coming up for your test. Okay, a couple things you need to know. First and foremost, look back over your notes. Okay, look over those lectures posted on YouTube's. Wow, I did not just say that. Okay, good thing I got more coffee keeping me alive and well right now. Ah, goodness. Okay. Oh, sorry, dying, wrong hole. So look back on your YouTube videos that I had posted over this unit. Skim over those, that's going to be important. Okay, you need to understand from the packet I gave you on Maine, what are the four main causes of World War I? Okay, militarism, this is a belief that you're building up your military and trying to get a bigger and better military. Be able to explain what militarism is. Alliances, be able to explain what an alliance is. Okay, so it's this partnership between different countries. Explain to me what that is. Explain to me also why this is beneficial, what can be some good things with an alliance, and what can be some bad things associated with an alliance. Same with militarism. Okay, what are some good things associated with militarism, and what are some bad things associated with that? You need to know what imperialism is, so tell me what is imperialism, why is it good, and why is it bad? So what are some possible benefits of imperialism, and what are some possible consequences associated with imperialism? Also, we'll talk about nationalism. What is nationalism? Why is nationalism good, and why is nationalism bad? Be able to explain those different things. That's going to help you a lot on this test. So be able to explain the pros and cons of that. Be able to talk about why is it important that most of the world's economy is influenced by Europe. This is going to be important for a number of factors, but the big reason is pretty much everyone in the world has some tie and has some interest in maintaining good, positive relations with Europe. Because a conflict in Europe is going to hurt the rest of the world as well, hence why part of the reason this is going to become a world war. Be able to talk about the kind of spark that started everything. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in Sarajevo, Bosnia-Herzegovina. So we got the Serbian nationalist and 19-year-old Gavrilo Princip, member of the Black Hand movement. Okay, Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his pregnant wife are going to go down into Sarajevo in order to try to quell and kind of calm down some of the tensions that the Bosnians are feeling at this time period, particularly Serbs living in Bosnia. So they're going to send their Archduke down there, who's like their crown prince. Okay, the next one in line, and Gavrilo Princip and the Black Hand movement, they're going to go and they're going to assassinate Franz Ferdinand. They're also going to shoot and kill his pregnant wife as well. That's going to be important because they want to get rid of any possible heir to the throne. But Franz Ferdinand is going to be shot, and this is going to be the thing that's really going to kind of start the whole war. To be able to talk about that and understand why that is significant. Be able to give me a reasoning and rationale between who you think started World War I and why you think they started World War I. Don't just tell me it was Germany and not really back it up. Explain to me who started the war and why you believe they started the war. Okay, that's going to be important. Talk about gas. Okay, and why are these gas attacks happening in the first place? What's the reason for using the gas? Okay, they're trying to break that stalemate that's broken on the Western Front. Now, what are some problems associated with this gas? Number one, it's incredibly unethical to be using gas. You're not killing people in a very just manner. Number two is that the wind shifts, all of a sudden that the gas is going to be blowing back upon your own soldiers. Be able to explain to me what is mustard gas and why is mustard gas insignificant? This is that gas that's very heavy, so it settles in, sometimes up for years. It causes these bruises and yellow sores on the outside of your body, and it's really incredibly painful. Be able to explain this just war theory. So this is the theory explaining what is needed for a war to be just or considered to be ethical. I'm going to give you on the test, you're going to have the 6 different things of just war theory. You need to explain to me what they are, and then give me an example of something that qualifies under this just war theory, or what would not be an example of just war theory. Okay, for example, retaliation in kind. You would say basically you have to respond with the same kind of way they attacked you with. So for example, if you have a country that had an enemy airplane cross into your airspace, that would be a violation of your sovereignty, which is considered an act of war. But if you were to retaliate by dropping an atomic bomb on them, that would not be retaliation in kind. So be able to explain to me what these different things in the just war theory mean so that I can understand what's going on. Be able to explain to me what was responsible for the end of World War I. Okay, the Treaty of Versailles is going to come in, talk about what's beneficial with the Treaty of Versailles and what could be problematic. Okay, the big thing that happened to the Treaty of Versailles is the Germans are pretty much blamed for everything, which is going to cause Germany to really kind of crumble as a country, which is going to go about and lead to the rise of Adolf Hitler, which is going to come in and start World War II. So we'll talk about the Treaty of Versailles and what happened as a result of that, and look at possible problems that could come as a result of blaming all this conflict on one country. Why is that problematic? Why don't you want to blame just one country for what happened here? Again, that's going to be pretty much everything here. As you can see on the screen in front of you, I do have the study guide. This is posted on Google Classroom for you, so you can look over this, study this, do the best you can. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below in this video. You may also go ahead and reach me by email. You have my email. Feel free to reach out to me on that. Or use the study blog that I have posted on your Google Classroom page. Use that as a way of getting a hold of those in your classmates that have questions. You might have the same question as someone else, most likely you do. Additionally, that can allow someone to give you that answer if I don't get back to you very quick. Again, get a hold of me with any questions. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Good luck on your test.